Good day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about trading mistakes, and I think I've probably made all the mistakes you can make trading. And the number one goal when you go to the screen each day is to limit your downside, limit the damage that you can do. And as we all know, it's quite easy to come unstuck at any point. And you know, Peter Brandt always says this: you're only one trade away from blowing yourself up. And mistakes are only mistakes if you don't learn from them. And you know, over time you have to get meticulous and very detailed about your process and your routine. And the whole point of that is to limit your downside, not only in terms of your tactical approach, your mechanical approach to the market, but your mindset, your routine around being at the screen. I talk about limiting screen time, having a very specific focus when you go to the screen, know exactly what you're doing, being prepared, you know, having a thesis, marking your levels, or just not even going to the screen if there's nothing set up. Because if there's nothing set up and you do go to the screen and you're looking for trades, that's when things can come unstuck. You can get into a setup that's, or into the market just perceiving what you think to be, you know, a directional bias, and getting into a move, and all of a sudden you're into a market that you're caught, and then you take a step back and realize that your you know, entry into the market was random, and that you actually might be on the wrong side. That's when traders can go slowly into tilt. It's usually one small little bad decision that ends up in a big mistake. And so the point of mistakes is the actionable review process, going back, looking at your whole, not only your market tactics, but your whole approach mentally to the screen, your routine, how you go to the screen and prepare, what your routine is in the morning or at night, depending on where you're trading. If you're tired, if you're, you know, if you had a big meal and you're mentally fogged, and or just not getting sleep, or underhydrated, or eating poor quality nutrition, or you got in an argument with a friend or a spouse, or you've been out, you know, you're hungover, or you're drinking. Hopefully not. But everything boils down to preparation, your ability to plan, prepare, and execute, and have setups, have specific tactical setups that you're going to the market to hunt, stalk and hunt and execute. And if you make mistakes, don't beat yourself up. Learn from them. You know, make it a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Make it a stepping stone up the ladder of your trading success. So hopefully that makes sense. It's only a mistake if you don't learn from it, traders. You know, big week, Thanksgiving week, still massive opportunities. I know that next week's going to be even bigger. We're coming back after a holiday weekend, and it's just, you know, the opportunities will continue day after day after day. Have a great weekend, traders, and may the markets go with you.